What if I told you that greatness isn't something you're born with? It's not something that only a few people are destined to achieve. It's something you build, something you fight for, something you earn through blood, sweat, and relentless effort. Think about the greatest anime characters. Naruto Uzumaki, who was born with nothing, no family, no talent, no natural genius, but he refused to accept that as his fate. He worked, he struggled, he failed, and then he got back up, again and again, until the world had no choice but to recognize him. Greatness is not given, it is taken. But here's the catch. Most people want success. Most people dream about being great. But when it comes to putting in the work, when it comes to waking up early, pushing past the pain, sacrificing comfort, and choosing discipline over distractions, that's when most people quit. You can't be one of those people. Every legendary anime protagonist had a moment where they had to decide, give up or go harder. Goku pushing past his limits to achieve Super Saiyan. Luffy standing up to the impossible because he refuses to back down. Asta swinging his sword again and again, even when the world tells him he can't win. These aren't just stories. They are blueprints for life. Your excuses don't matter. Your circumstances don't define you. Your actions do. Maybe you weren't born into the perfect situation. Maybe you've faced setback after setback. Maybe you've tried before and failed. So what? Every failure, every struggle, every obstacle, it's all a test. It's the universe asking you, how bad do you really want this? Because the truth is, most people don't want success bad enough. They want comfort. They want entertainment. They want the easy path. But let me tell you something. The easy path leads nowhere. If you want to achieve greatness, you have to be willing to go through hell. You have to be willing to suffer for your dreams. You have to train when others rest. Focus when others are distracted. And keep moving forward, even when everything in you is telling you to stop. The difference between winners and losers isn't talent. It's perseverance. Go watch any anime fight scene where the protagonist is beaten down, barely able to stand. What do? They don't stop. They don't surrender. They push beyond their limits and find that next level within themselves. You have that same power. It's inside you, right now. But you have to unlock it. You have to commit. No more half efforts. No more waiting for motivation. No more excuses. This is your moment. Right now. To stop wishing and start doing. To stop dreaming and start working. To stop saying one day and make today the day you finally take action. Because greatness isn't something you wait for. It's something you create. So go out there. Push past your limits. Embrace the struggle. And make the world remember your name.